Hello, I am Professor Seema Karare and today we are going to perform our basic science physics practical number 8, that is magnetic line of force of magnet. So let us see it. This is experiment number 8, magnetic line of force of magnet. So what is the course outcome? Apply the principle of electricity and magnetism to solve the engineering problem. So this experiment is based on the chapter number 2, that is electricity, magnetism and semiconductor. And what is the today's practical learning outcome is use of magnetic compass to draw the magnetic line of force of magnet of different shapes. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की मॅग्नेटिक लाईन ऑफ फोर्स तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की ही कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी तुम्ही स्टडी केलेलं आहे. Magnet there are different types of magnets, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet. So we have to draw the line of force by using different kinds of magnets. So this is our today's practical learning outcome. The magnetic compass, त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय काय लागणार आहे? We need the magnet, that is bar magnet. We have taken a bar magnet. We need the compass and we need the drawing paper and the drawing board. We have fixed this paper with pins to this drawing board and we need the scale, pencil to draw the magnetic line of force. What are the properties of magnet? You know that the magnet is always showing the north pole and the south pole. It is having a two pole. Each magnet is having north pole and south pole. And when the magnetic needle, you know that the needle is always having the needle will show the north south direction, and if you place this compass to near this north pole, then this north pole will attract the south direction or the south direction of a needle towards it, and if you place the south pole near to it, then it will reflect back from the south. That means if like poles are like poles repel each other and the unlike poles attract each other. So this is the property of magnet and we are going to use this property. So let us start our experiment. पहिल्यांदा आपण एक्सपेरिमेंट साठी ड्रॉइंग बोर्ड घेऊया. त्यासाठी आपण काय करणार आहे? We take a bar magnet. We draw the outline of this bar magnet. आपण काय करणार आहे? आउटलाइन काढूया बार मॅग्नेटची. अशा प्रकारे आपण आउटलाइन काढतो. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर फर्स्ट आपण इथे बघा, हा जो डॉट दाखवतो इट इंडिकेट्स द नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ अ बार मॅग्नेट. त्यानंतर आपण काय करणार आहे? ही नीडल जी आहे ती आपण ह्या कंपासच्या साहाय्याने आपण काय करणार आहे? इथून आपण सुरुवात करूया. हा नॉर्थ पोल आहे. ओके. सो आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? वी हॅव टू कीप दिस नीडल, magnetic needle near this bar magnet, and we have to draw one point at north pole. This red line is showing the north pole of north direction of magnetic needle. So we have draw this point at this indicator. Then we have to place the needle at different point next to this end. So we get this another point. In this way we have to move this like this. Again we have to move the needle again like this, and so we get the different points like this. We can move. The same procedure we have to do for the here also. You can move it. The needle is moving. we can draw the path flowing from this. We can join it. Again we can join here. And all of you know that the line of force is always flowing from north pole to south pole. So we can draw this direction. North pole is moving, or the needle is moving like this. So again we can take another line. This is N. So like this we can draw the line of force by using this needle. As the needle is moving, we can draw the different points like this up to the other end of the bar until the magnetic needle is moved. We have to move this needle like this from the north pole to south pole. So we get the different lines of force. These lines of force are always generated from north pole and it ends at south pole. We know amala properties. So let's see the properties of magnetic line of force. So what are the properties of magnetic line of force? Magnetic line of force are curved in nature. We can see that the magnetic line of force are curved in nature, and we can also find out that each magnetic line of force is separate. It does not intersect each other. That means it is always going from north to south. Direction is from north to south. It is curved in nature and it does not intersect to each other. And also we can see that when there is a magnetic field is stronger, then the line of force are closer to each other, and when there is a magnetic field is weaker, then the line of force are less. So from the line of force we can recognize where the strong magnetic field is there and where the weak magnetic field is there. So this is about the magnetic line of force by using magnet and compass. Thank you.